Hey YouTube, Pilot Will Done RC. We're back out here with the F-15 ever so trusty EDF 64mm by Eflite. And we are going to rip it up the skies a little bit. Fly like an eagle. Please like, subscribe, share, leave me some great comments, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for all so you know when we're posting new videos. Just trying to have fun and share the hobby with you. So without further ado, it's enough talk. Let's fly. Everything's checked. Let's go. Come out of safe.
Shit is about to get real. One minute, 2 minutes.
Come back around this a loop. We go up, flip her over, come back down.
10, 9, 8. Oh, I like that one. Do it again.
Well, my stick must have been running the timer. I just reset it and hopefully it's not too long. I'll listen for when it starts to die out. The wind died down pretty good right now. Try to keep it down on the throttle a little bit. Try to stretch that battery out a little bit. Get another loop. We go up, flip her over, come back, high speed, go up and flip it
1
over.
minute.
Come back.
2 minutes.
Oh, this jet is so much fun.
Seconds. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer 1 elapsed. 1 minute.
Yeah, she sounds like she's dying down a little bit. We'll come back in and land on this next go around. All right, we're landing. Let her sink in, let her sink in. To the runway, to the runway.
20
nice.
seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I don't know how well you can see those lights on there, but they look good. That motor's a little sick. Have to maybe do an upgrade on the motor. But yeah, that's the F-15 by Eflite, 64mm. And until next time, this is Will Done RC, Pilot Will, signing out.